What if a fruit was hard and bitter, but transformed into something sweet and rosy? Let's talk about the quince. This golden yellow fruit looks like a lumpy pear, but you almost never eat it raw. When it's cooked, the quince undergoes a magical transformation, turning a beautiful rosy pink with a rich aromatic flavor. It's a very old fruit, celebrated since ancient times. Today, it's most famous for being made into jams, jellies, and the sweet, sliceable dessert known as quince paste or membrillo. And here's a cool fact. The quince is a member of the rose family. So, have you ever tasted cooked quince? What did you think? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing fruit facts.